How to turn on or turn off JavaScript on Microsoft Edge browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Microsoft Edge browser. This is the home page. Click here in the top corner on those three dots. Go down, click on settings. After you click on settings, it will take you to this page right here, as you can see. Now go here, click on cookies and site permissions. After you click on it, now scroll down until you find JavaScript in the permissions right here. Click on it, and here, as you can see, you can enable it or disable it from here easily and fast, or you can add or block a specific website, or you can also allow a specific website. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.